The free plan isn't free. If you're a freelancer billing $5,000 a month, Wave and Zoho Invoice both promise zero subscription fees, but the real cost hides in payment processing and bank imports. Let's break it down. Wave charges 2.9% plus 60 cents per credit card transaction. On $5,000, that's $145 in fees alone, plus $8 a month if you want automatic bank reconciliation, which most freelancers need. That's $153 monthly. Zoho Invoice? Their free plan includes no bank fees at all. You'll pay $9 a month for that feature. Credit card processing runs 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction, totaling $145 on $5,000. But here's the catch. Zoho's free tier limits you to one user and 25 invoices per month. Exceed that, and you're pushed to a $15 plan. So for a $5,000 freelancer, Zoho's true cost lands at $154 to $169 monthly. Wave's hidden fee? The bank import charge kicks in after 20 transactions, easily hit. Zoho's? The invoice cap. Both are free until you actually use them. So next time you see free, ask, what's the catch?